Getting that card declined message on PayPal can stop your purchase dead in its tracks. First, double-check the basics. Go to your PayPal wallet and verify the card number, expiration date, and CVV code you entered are 100% correct. A single mistyped digit is often the culprit. Next, confirm your card hasn't expired. Also, make sure the billing address you have on file with PayPal matches the address your bank has on file for this card. Exactly. Your bank might be blocking the transaction. For your security, check your phone for a fraud alert text or email from your bank, and follow the instructions to approve the transaction. If your card is still not working, try a different funding source. Link a different card or bank account to your PayPal account and attempt the payment again. If the issue persists, the problem might be with PayPal itself. Check their status page or help center for any known system outages or issues affecting payments. As a last step, contact both your bank to ensure there are no holds on your account, and then contact PayPal customer support for direct assistance. By following these steps, you can quickly troubleshoot the problem and get back to your shopping.